I got the Nail Aid. All of the products are from Nail Aid, but this is the Nail Aid 1 Minute Artificials Acrylic Powder Iron Formula. It says it ends chipping and cracking instantly, hard as acrylic nails, high shine, 2-week wear. There's that. I hope you can see. And I bought 2 of them. I already started out on 1 of them. The next product I bought from Nail Aid is the Sapphire Strength Mega Grow. Nail Aid Sapphire Strength Mega Grow plus Zinc Formula strengthens thin, weak nails, nails hard as sapphires, ultra shine, break proof finish. So there's that. And I bought 2 of these. I also bought 3-in-1 gel base and top coat plus hardener, fast gels, gel formula with vitamin B5, instantly hard as gel nails, 14-day chip-free gel wear, thick gel gloss finish. So that's that. I only bought 1 of these just to kind of like try it. I like to switch things up a bit. And then I purchased the One Step French Mani, the original nail enhancer and brightener, pinker nails, whiter tips like a salon, pink and white gel, glossy manicure in just 1 coat. This is the box, and here is, I actually started to try and use it, and to be honest, I didn't notice my tips really white, but then again, I don't have a lot of white on the ends of my nails, so you know, until my nails grow out, I have to wait on this one. Now, what I have on my nails right now, which is a very neutral color, it is their 8-in-1 Nude Mani Palm Beach color. It says multi-benefit strengthener color plus color, keratin growth, biotin strength, ends breaking, smooths ridges, long wear color, chip-free base coat, fast dry top coat, 100% shine. I will definitely agree with that. These, I like this. It's very, very, very neutral. And I'm gonna actually post a picture now. This picture shows the difference between my nails from 1 week to the next. And you can see there's a slight bit of growth. And this is the bottle. This is the bottle to this, what it looks like. I also purchased their Nail Aid Spray Away New Acetone Spray Nail Polish Remover Maximum Strength. You literally just spray it on a cotton ball and then remove the nail polish from your nails. And I bought 2 cans of this. Now, before I watched this lady's video on that, I had saw on Instagram, Orly was advertising their nail rescue kit, which consists of the Orly Nail Defense Strengthening Protein Treatment. That is this, and the rescue kit. So it consists of like a glue, a powder, and a buffer. I find that this is helpful when my nails start to kind of like peel a little bit, and if I just add a little bit of the glue to it with a little powder, and it'll help reinforce the nail, or if my nail tends to crack or split on the side, then I will use this kit as well as this. So I'm going to switch this up between the Nail Aid products and these Orly products. So that's that. And I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, because I think that, you know, we're all at home, and, you know, if you like to do your nails and you can't get to a nail salon, and let me just say, even though some places are opening up nail salons, I highly recommend that you do not go. Seriously, I know everybody that watches my channel is not a Christian, but let me just say that I fully believe in being directed by God, and people are opening everywhere. And guess what? Coronavirus cases are popping up in those areas. It's just not time. I also discovered, because I never used to use this, I also discovered that you really should use cuticle oil, and it helps. I thought it was just, you know, like it's moisturizing your cuticle. I didn't realize that it actually could have some kind of benefit to your nails growing. So I got this bottle of cuticle oil. It is by Cuccio, and it is revitalizing cuticle oil with milk and honey. And I got this from Amazon, and I will link it also in the description box below. So that's it. I hope this video wasn't too long for you guys. I know I don't usually do super long videos, but I really wanted to share with you all the things that I have been doing since this pandemic, and the things that I want to continue to do. As for my nails, let me tell you, even when things open back up, I think I'm just going to continue to do my own nails, because I find that nobody's going to be, just like with the hair, no one's going to be as gentle with my nails as I am. You know, all that buffing that they do in the salon, they're just buffing your nails right away. And if you don't mind not having longer nails, then you can just go to the salon and let them do it and keep them short. Me, I want to grow my nails out. Just like I'm working to grow my hair out, I want to grow my nails out. You know, this is my body, and I really, really want to embrace my body as it is naturally as possible. The one thing I need to work on though is my eating. But anyway, that's a whole nother video, and now this video is about to be a half an hour because yeah, let me shut up. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless you. Have a very blessed day, and I will catch you in my next video.